Next in C, we are going to find out length of a given string using recursion. So hash include stdio.add, it's a header file. Int main, it's our main function. Here we are declaring a string char str and we are giving it size of 20. One integer variable L. Now here we'll be asking user to enter a string. So printf declaration enter a string and get as name of string is str. Here we have taken input of string. Now it's a function call L equals to, I'm giving name len to a function len and I'm passing string to it, str to it, and here we'll be printing L. Printf here we have to print L and here we have to return 0. This main function is not going to return any value. Now here after main function, as we'll get this function call, control will go to function definition. So its return type is integer, name is len. Here we are passing char asterisk, name of string is str1. Here we are declaring one variable L and we are initializing it with 0. Here we are checking if within bracket asterisk str1 is not equals to, if it is not equals to null, then what we have to do, we have to increment the value of L by 1 and here we have to give recursive function call len plus plus str1. Otherwise, if it is equals to null, then it will come to else part and here will be return L. So first we'll see how it is running, then we'll understand it. Build it and then run. Now it is asking me to enter a string. I'm giving hello. The length of the string is 0. Why it is giving so? Because after function call, control is coming here and here L is initialized with 0 again and again. So what we have to do is, here this is a function call, recursive function call. After recursive function call, control will come here. Again it will initialize L with 0. Even if it is length is 5, when it will come here, again it will be 0. So what we have to do here is, we have to declare it static. So it will retain its value. Once the value of L is 2, it will be 2. It is not going to be 0 again. Save it, build it and then run it. So enter a string, hello. It has 5 characters, so length should be 5. The length of our string is 5. So how this is working? Here we have taken input of our string and name of our string is str. Here this is our function call and the length is collecting, we are collecting this length in L variable which we are printing here. So after getting this function call, control will move to function definition. So integer len character asterisk str1. Now asterisk str1 is going to hold value at that particular address. Right now it is holding value of first element of our string and whatever is the first element, it is going to hold it. For example, our string is hello. So this is holding h. Now here we have initialized one more integer variable of which is static in nature and its size, it is initialized with 0. Now here we are checking asterisk str1 is not equal to 0. That means value at that particular address, whatever is the address, value is h. If this is not null, then we are going to increment the value of L by 1. So L is 1 now. Again here we have recursive function call. Now what does it mean? It is going to increment base address. That means initially our control was here. Now it is going to increment the address. Now control will move to E. And here it is checking that value at that particular address is not equals to null. Here it is checking value at that particular address is not equals to null, that is E is not equals to null. Then again it will increase the value of L by 1. Initially it was 1, now it is 2. Again it will increase its base address. Again it will come here to function definition. Here again it will be checking that if str1 is not equals to null, again it is not null, it is at L position. Again it will increase the value of L by 1. This way it is doing recursive function call again and again. Suppose our length of string is 0, like we haven't given any string. So in that case length will be 0. In the beginning there will be null character. So it is not going to enter this if, it will come to this else part and it is going to print the length as 0 because here we are returning L and here it will printing length as 0. So save it, build it and then run it again. Hello. Here we have HELL of 5, 1 space, 7, 8, 9 characters. So length of the string is 9.